swimming in the pond with a splash and a plop. Fish are swimming, frogs go ribbit. Life by the water is such a big hit.
Come on, clap your hands, it's an animal parade. Every creature's here in the sun or shade. Big and small, from near and far, join the party wherever you are.
The zebras run with their stripes so neat. Cheetahs race with their lightning feet. Hippos yawn in the river wide, while the rhinos march with pride, pride, pride.
Oh, the world is full of creatures grand, on the land, in the sea, and the golden sand. From the tallest giraffe to the tiniest bee, so many animals for us to see. Come on, clap your hands, it's an animal parade. Every creature's here in the sun or shade. Big and small, from near and far, join the party wherever you are.
Down in the ocean where the water's blue, dolphins jump and the turtles too. Octopus waves with 8 long arms. The sea is a place full of charm.
Let's dive, dive, dive
Into the deep where jellyfish glow and seahorses sleep. Under the waves there's magic to find. The ocean's a wonder, one of a kind. Hoo hoo hoo, says the wise old owl. Foxes tiptoe with a silent prowl. Fireflies glow in the moonlit night. The forest is alive in the pale starlight.
Come on, clap your hands, it's an animal parade. Every creature's here in the sun or shade. Big and small, from near and far, join the party wherever you are.
Goodbye, animal friends. The sun is setting, it's time to rest. Every animal gave their best. We'll meet again for another day, when the animal parade comes out to play. Come on, clap your hands, it's an animal parade. Every creature's here in the sun or shade. Big and small, from near and far, we'll see you again, wherever you are. Oh, the world is full of creatures grand, on the land, in the sea, and the golden sand. On the coolest still with the golden sand, from the tiniest bee, so another day. So many animals for us to see, so many.
Come on, clap your hands, it's an animal parade. Every creature